Hi everyone, Krisha Mix Vlog. I went back home now guys. Kumain lang kami sa labas. Yan, pinauwi lang ako nila boss. Dahil it's heavy rain outside. I don't have umbrella. They have only 2 umbrellas. So, pinauwi na muna ako. Dahil wala kaming extra umbrella. Kumain kami sa labas guys, sa hotspot. Kaya ayan, happy na naman ang tummy ko. Happy weekend everyone. Ayan, bilis ng panahon. That time so fast. Saturday na. Tomorrow Sunday. Diba? Ayan, shout out everyone and thank you so much sa inyo walang sawang support again kay Krisha, my silent LS, and my live streaming, singing. Cray Cray, thank you so much. Shout out Cray Cray. Ayan, thank you so much. Your solid support. I am the #1 of your solid supporter. Ayan. Keep safe. Cray Cray. Thank you so much. And of course, my love, Siang Paulo. Ayan. Lalab Snow. Thank you. Tisoy. Dumaan sa aking, guys, sa aking live silent LS. Thank you so much. Ayan. Uwi na ako guys. Bye everyone. Thank you so much. Ayan, umuulan. Bye bye.